Welcome back to the channel, all you beautiful people. This week we are getting rid of the disgusting old lower control arms and fitting some Skunk2 ones I've got. Let's get on with that. They're not brand new, they're second hand, genuine Skunk2. Bushes are in good condition, nothing wrong with them. And yeah, they'll make a nice little upgrade to the standard ones, because once they're under the car they ain't gonna look so dirty. So yeah, let's just get on with it and get them in. Three special little bolts on the lower control arms to go through these three holes. They're like little like 10-point things. So you gotta get a 20mm 10-point half-inch drive socket, little tool. I think it's like £7 or something off eBay. So pretty good. I'm done. So easy as that. If you ain't got a good gun and you want one, this one is unreal. D-Works, proper Chinese, but 50 quid, and it's got like 460mm. And it's proper good. So yeah, I rate this good gun. Alright, now I don't know what size that is, but let's get it out. That one bolt there holding the lower control arm in now is 17mm, so should get that out. Easy as that. So then that should just, I don't know how to get it out now, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna have to have a look around and take it out. Slides right out. Not bad at all, that. Then the wheel is kind of kind of a bit wobbly, but that's alright. That's alright. Control arms, they come with slightly longer bolts. So these are the new ones. Well, I say new, Skunk2 bolts. They're the old ones. They're still old, but they're new to me.
I like second-hand part, they're cheap.
Push your wheel out a bit so you get the first one lined up. And that'll line the other two up for you. I'm not even 100% sure I've got this plate around the right way around, to be honest with you, but I thought it'd be this way because then you can see the Skunk2 logo. I don't know. So, how many scene points do I get for having Skunk2 lower control arms now? Got Skunk2 Mega Power exhaust and Skunk2 lower control arms. That must be at least 2,000 scene points, really. Right, well, ideally you'd want 2 jacks for that, because what I had to do was to get these 3 lined up properly, you're going to want to leave that out and get them 3 in first, then come over to this one, and that's why you're going to want 2 jacks to jack that up into position, then push the wheel out into position. But I've got my long extension piece, got it like that, hammered it into position where I want it, pulled the wheel out a bit, got this long 17mm bolt in there, a few taps of the hammer so it's all the way through to the other side, tying it right up, and that's solid now. So that's now what half of my car looks like. Scene points for days, boy. Well, my gooder has just run out of battery because it got abused quite a lot yesterday as well. So now for these 10-point bolts, just with a socket, they're quite tight. But they're light work for a gooder gun, but... So if you ain't got an impact wrench, just get your socket on there nice and tight. And then, oh, if I can just prop that up there. Alright, that's gonna have to do for now because I need both hands for this. Just hold it on plate. Okay. Just hold it in place. A few whacks of the hammer. And once you've got it started twisting with a hammer, it's then enough to do by your hand. So there you go. If you ain't got an impact wrench, you make your own impacts. We've got our 3 Skunk2 bolts in the lower control arm slot there. So now we just gotta get that up to height and across to that hole so we can get our long 17mm bolt in. So let's do that. I can't record it because I've only got it's only me, so
we.
Got them done up as tight as I can humanly go. Products, they're scrubbed up pretty nicely, to be honest with you. And they look, well, from a distance, they look brand new. So yeah, I'm proper happy with them. I only spent like less than 100 quid on them. I think they probably cost me like 80 quid in total, considering they're like over 200 quid brand new Skunk2 lower control arms. So yeah. Makes it look pretty hard, to be fair. I'm happy with that. So yeah, that is how you crudely install some Skunk2 lower control arms on your driveway. I hope you've enjoyed this video. This has been Ollie. It's been a pleasure to do your mods for you. To present your mods for you. Something like that. So yeah, I will see you soon. Goodbye. So if you find water in your spare wheel well, the main culprit, well, which I'm pointing my finger at, is the rear light seals. So